Okay, so today I will talk about your Jailbreak Kindle that runs KOReader and how to use no framework mode instead. Okay, so here we have the boring Amazon Kindle UI that you are so tired of, sluggish and so on, with a lot of ads for new books and all that. But because you have jailbreaked your Kindle, you have this option, KOReader. So if we click on KOReader, then KOReader opens, and here we have choices to do, and we have KOReader menu here. So let's start the KOReader menu. Here you have the normal way to start KOReader. That runs the KOReader above the normal Amazon Kindle UI. But we will now use Start KOReader with no framework. What that means is that then KOReader tries to stop the normal Amazon Kindle UI in the background and start KOReader instead above your Kindle. That means that it will free up a lot of RAM memory and run KOReader smoother, faster and much lighter than before. So let's just click on KOReader No Framework option. Now KOReader will start on your Jailbreak Kindle with a no framework option. So now it unloads the Amazon Kindle UI before starting KOReader, and now you are in KOReader UI instead. So here you can do all the stuff I have showed in a lot of videos. You can, for example, go up here and change the settings for the grid mode. So you can go up here and have cover image instead, for example, like so. So now we will have this kinds of UI of your home on your KOReader device. So now when I open a book, let's say that book, we are now in KOReader and only the KOReader UI. The Kindle runs without no framework. So now you have KOReader installed, and as long as you don't need Amazon UI and don't want to use the Amazon UI, you will be fine with this mode. So when I close this book, the Kindle like this, I have the cover of the book showing on my Kindle, and when I want to start reading again, I just open up the Kindle again and I have the same book open as I left it. And if I want to go to my library, I click here and choose my library, and now I am in my library of books instead. So this is the KOReader UI instead of Amazon Kindle UI, and it doesn't run even in the background. So this means when you want to exit KOReader, you will need to rerun the Amazon Kindle UI again, so it will take a bit longer before you have started KOReader in no framework. It needs to exit KOReader and load in Amazon Kindle UI instead. So that is the bottom line of it. So if you run with no framework, it will run smoother with KOReader and so on. And as long as you don't need Amazon Kindle UI, you will be fine with that, because you don't need Amazon Kindle UI anymore if you are happy with KOReader. So this will be nice and great for older Kindles that doesn't have so much RAM memory and are slower and so on. So run KOReader in no framework on those devices. You will have a more pleasure experience with KOReader. That's the huge benefit with it. Okay, bye.